Continuing lovely Dreamtime music on WLDL. With a popular success from last summer, it's raining on prom night.
I was deprived of a young girl's dream, by the cool force of nature from the blue. Instead of a night full of romance supreme, all I got was a runny nose and Asiatic flu. Raining on prom night, my hair is a mess. It's running all over my daphne dress. Quilting in my uniform, and mascara flows right down my nose because of the storm. I don't even have my cornstarch. Oh gee, it fell down the sewer with my sister's ID. It's raining. Yes, it's raining on prom night. Oh, what can I do? It's raining, a real rain from the skies, and it's raining real tears from my eyes over you. Oh, dear God, please make it feel the same way I do right now. Make him want to see me again.